Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nuts milkshake easy guide. Soak nuts for at least 2 hours, drain, then blend with 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sweetener, and a handful of ice. Strain for a silky finish or skip straining for more fiber. Taste and adjust sweetness or milk to reach your preferred thickness, pour into a chilled glass, and enjoy immediately for best flavor. To get that velvety texture, soak your nuts until soft, typically 2 to 8 hours depending on type. Softer nuts like cashews need less time, while almonds benefit from longer soaking. Drain and rinse well, then proceed to blend with cold milk and your chosen sweetener. If you're short on time, hot water for 30 minutes speeds things up, but cool and long soaking yields better taste and digestibility. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling clean after grocery runs and nut prep. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks again, and now let's get back to the video. Try simple additions to customize your shake. A teaspoon of vanilla brightens the profile, cinnamon or nutmeg adds warmth, and 2 tablespoons cocoa creates a chocolate version. For a richer result, substitute part of the milk with yogurt or add a scoop of ice cream. Sweeten with honey, maple syrup, or sugar to your liking. Garnish with chopped nuts or a dusting of cocoa to make each serving feel special and inviting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.